can see from the title, I wanna do Chatty Get Ready With Me using the palette that I'm excited about. This is the Decay Backtalk palette. It has a lot of pink shades and I think I wanna do like pink look, and I love pink, so yeah, let's just get started. I wanna start from the eyes. Okay, it looks like this. It's so cute. This is the cutest palette I've ever seen. So it has like two palettes. It has blush palette and it has eyeshadow palette. So excited. Let's just get started. I wanna prime my eyes first. I wanna use NYX eyeshadow base like always. Oh, I've been loving skincare instead of makeup lately, but I still love palette. But I don't really like foundation. But I'm not really excited about makeup anymore. Like, I'm excited about skincare now. I think I'm gonna do more skincare video instead of makeup. I'm so excited for this skincare product that I've been like trying. Test this product for like 4 weeks and see how it looks. So yeah, now to set that eyeshadow base, I wanna take this shade and just put it all over my eyelid. Oh my god, you can take the mirror off? Like, what the hell? The first impression, this shade is not pigmented. I thought it would be more pigmented than this. Oh my god, it doesn't feel like Decay eyeshadow. Now for the transition color, I wanna use this called Backtalk. This is so pretty. This is my kind of color. And the downside, it's only has 2 matte shades. So yeah. Alright, so because this is so dark, doesn't really blend that well. It's so pretty, but it's not blendable, if you know what I mean. As you can see, you can still see where I put the first eyeshadow, like, and it looks like a line. It doesn't blend really good. I don't know what I feel about this palette yet. I don't really read reviews before I purchase this palette because I trust Decay eyeshadow, but this eyeshadow is like so. This is the worst Decay palette that I've ever tried. I think it doesn't blend that well, if you know what I mean. All of the Decay eyeshadow, I feel like it blends itself, but this is like so hard to blend it. It needs effort. And now I'm gonna do the other eye. Really don't like this eyeshadow. The shade is so pretty, but the blendability and the quality of it is just like, what the hell? This is not Decay eyeshadow? Holy shit, what happened? Am I getting the bad palette, or all of the palette is like this? Wait a minute, I wanna read review. So everyone's saying the pigmentation isn't that great, so I'm not the only one to feel that. It looks so bad. Holy shit. It doesn't look like blending. What the fuck? I'm tired, so let's move on to the lid color. I wanna take this shade called Curve and just put it all over my eyelid. So this mirror thing is annoying as fuck. When I apply makeup, it's like going everywhere. Holy shit. I love Decay eyeshadow, but this palette, what happened with this palette? Oh my god. If you haven't bought this palette, you probably shouldn't. This is the worst Decay palette that I've ever bought. I've ever tried. I love all of my Decay eyeshadow. Like, I'm obsessed with Decay eyeshadow. If I had a palette, I will buy all of them. But this palette is so bad. I can't. Like, usually this shimmer is just glide on, but it needs more effort. They're my favorite brand if it comes to palette. What happened? Like, what the hell? It's like doesn't have a lot of pigment. Okay, now for the outer corner. For the outer corner, I wanna take this shade called What the Fuck. No, I mean WTF. I think this is the best shade from this palette because it's so smooth. I don't want this shade too much because I still wanna keep on the pink family. Okay, I think I'm done with this eyeshadow. First thought, I don't really like this. Okay, because I'm so lazy and I don't wanna do gel liner. I wanna take this black shade from this Zoifa palette, just put it to make wing liner. I've been loving Korean and Japanese skincare, like I'm obsessed, and I buy a lot. And I'm obsessed with a chemical exfoliant. It makes my skin texture is just so much smoother. And I'm obsessed with ferment skincare, like anything that has fermentation on the ingredient, I will buy it. Okay, now I'm gonna attempt to fix my liner. I'm gonna use my trusty ID Final by The Body Shop. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna put on some mascara on my upper lashes. Okay, for the face, I don't really want to prime my face. I don't think I want to make this makeup last a long time. I don't think I want to use foundation. I think I'm gonna use concealer. I want to do like triangle shape like that. I want to put it on the center of my nose. And I want to put it a little bit on my forehead, but not too much. I have big forehead, so I don't need to highlight that. Now I wanna put it on my chin. And now I wanna try to blend this so it looks like skin because I don't use foundation. I'm trying. I didn't believe when anyone said like if the canvas is good, the makeup will look like better. But I've been taking care of my skin lately and my makeup now looks so much smoother. Holy shit. Now I'm gonna try to blend more. Okay, now I don't know if I wanna set the concealer with the powder. Okay, I think I wanna set the concealer really lightly. Okay, now I'm done with setting my concealer. Now after that I wanna use some bronzer. Okay, now I'm gonna use my matte bronzer just to warm up and kind of contour, kind of not. I feel like if you put bronzer on and even if you don't contour it, it just shape your face. Okay, it's getting darker. Holy shit. Okay, the thing about my skin is just when I don't drink enough water, I will get acne. It's so fucking annoying, like what the hell. And if I get dehydrated, like my acne will pop up in a random spot. Okay, now I'm so excited. But this blush, I wanna take this blush called Double Take. It looks so pretty, so pretty. Okay, the blush is really good instead of eyeshadow. So if you don't like the eyeshadow from this palette, you probably will like this blush. It blends so easy. Okay, now I wanna take this. Holy shit. Okay, oh my god, I love this. Okay, but this highlighter is just so metallic. I get dry patches around here and here, the place that I put highlighter. Sometimes it will like bring out the dryness. Okay, now I'm done with my face. Let's move back to the eyes. Okay, now for the eye, I wanna take only one shade. Take the shade and just put it all over my lower lash line. It doesn't blend. Eyeliner for waterline. Mascara for lower lashes. Okay, now for the lips, I only wanna take this pink lip gloss by Bare Minerals and just put it all over my lips. So that is it for this Chatty Get Ready With Me / first impression for the palette by Decay called Backtalk. I don't really like it. So yeah, bye guys, see you next video.